Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to clone a repository using the git bash, simply this URL. In the previous tutorial I had showed you how to download the zip file, extract it and then open it with the Android Studio. In this we're gonna be working with this link and the git commands. So let's get started. In this tutorial, there are 3 UNIX commands that I'll be using in the git bash, so it's important for you to know it beforehand. The first one is cd, which stands for change directory. Directory in terms of UNIX is just a folder in terms of your Windows GUI. So don't get confused, it's just changing folders. So mkdir is the next command. Mk stands for make and dir again for directory. So this command will make a directory. This command will change the directories that are in your system. Directory simply means a folder. Now the third command that we'll be using is ls. ls stands for list. What will it list? It will list all the files and the folders that there are. When you are in a particular directory, when you are in a particular folder, you want to look at what all files it contains. For GUI it's simple, you just have to do just the left click. But if you want to go with the command line approach, then ls does it for you. So it lists all the files and the folders that are there in the particular directory where you stand. And we'll use just one git command now, which is git clone and the repo name that I just showed you. So armed with all these 4 commands, let's get started with it. Now I'm gonna open my git bash and zoom in for you a little. So let me do an ls and check which all folders are there at the path that I am currently in. So when I did an ls, I found that there is indeed a directory known as pictures where I stand right now. So I'll simply change my directory to pictures now. So let me type in cd pictures, cd a space and then your directory name. Then click enter and I'm in here. I'll do an ls and see that yes, I have those 3 directories in my pictures now. So I want to create the repo, the clone of this repo in my pictures directory only. So I'll go in here and copy this link. Simply from here, copy to clipboard. This is copied. So I'll come to my git bash and first I'll make a directory to store all these files that I'm gonna clone. So mkdir is the command that I'll be using and I'm gonna name it as Facebook clone. Now when I'll do an ls, I'll see that my Facebook clone has formed this and it's here, Facebook clone, and it's all empty. So now I'll go into this directory, I'll do a cd and then write in my directory name, which is Facebook clone, and I'm in here. So now I'm gonna simply type in git clone and paste the repo name that I just copied and click enter. So the cloning has started, as you can see. And it's done. So in here is my project, spin the bottle. So and paste into my directories. So in my pictures I have directly pasted this spin the bottle. I'll delete this directory that I had created. Now I'll go to my Android Studio, go to file. So in my Android Studio I'll click on file and then on open. Now I'll go to my pictures directory over here and then to the spin the bottle. I click on OK and let the Gradle build my project in this window itself. Now the Gradle is building my project up, and let's wait the project, and I'm gonna go manually in here to my app, then on my rest directory layout, and open up the activity name XML file, and in my Java folder to show you guys my main activity file. So it has not yet completed the build, so let me wait for a few more minutes. Finally my Gradle has finished building the project, and I can go in here and run this project to show you guys if this directory, if this clone directory repo is working on my system or not. So I'm going to show you on my emulator right now. Finally, here's the spin the bottle running on my emulator, and I'm just gonna click on this spin the bottle and it's running. So this is all. This is how you can clone using git commands, and hope you enjoyed the video and will try on your own. Thank you for watching.